In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw money from Binance to your bank account. By the end of this guide, you will have a clear understanding of the steps required to complete your withdrawal successfully. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once there, sign into your account using your credentials. After logging in, locate the wallet option in the top menu. Click on Wallets to access your account balance. Here you will see your available fiat balance displayed prominently. Before proceeding, ensure that you have sufficient funds for withdrawal. If you have cryptocurrency that you wish to convert to fiat, you can do so by selecting the appropriate option and reviewing the conversion rates and associated fees carefully. Next, with your fiat balance confirmed, return to the Wallets section. Look for the Withdraw option and click on it. When the withdrawal screen appears, select Fire as your withdrawal type. You will then need to choose your linked bank account from the provided options. If you have not linked a bank account, you will need to do this before continuing. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, ensuring that it falls within the permissible limits set by Binance. Take a moment to review any fees that may apply and the expected processing time for the transaction. Once you've entered the withdrawal details, confirm that everything is accurate. Binance may require you to complete a security verification step to ensure the withdrawal is authorized. Follow the prompts to complete this verification process. After successfully verifying, you will be returned to the withdrawal confirmation screen. Here, you can monitor the transaction status in your withdrawal history. It is important to note that bank transfers may take several business days to process, depending on your bank's policies. After submitting your withdrawal request, keep an eye on your bank account for the arrival of the funds. If you notice any delays or issues, you can refer to your transaction history on Binance for details. Additionally, save any transaction records for future reference. If you encounter significant delays or have concerns about your withdrawal, do not hesitate to contact Binance support for assistance. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.